Hey RC, Blake here, and this is our New Zealand King Salmon. Today we're going to be breaking down our 4-pound portion into beautiful sashimi. Step 1, we'll be removing our belly section. Next, cut the fillet to usable portions for skinning. Now we are going to remove the skin. To remove the skin, gently work your knife between the skin and the meat. Once you get a firm grip on the skin, begin to flatten your knife and pull the skin in the opposite direction of the knife. In the chance that you do cut through the skin, carefully work your blade between the skin and the meat like so. At this point, we split the 2-pound piece into 2 1-pound portions, and then break a 1-pound portion into 3 pure meat saku blocks. We now take our saku block and begin slicing our sashimi with long, smooth strokes at the thickness of a domino, then plate. Wow, look at that, it looks great. Lastly, here's how we prepare an 8-ounce tail portion for sashimi. First, we start by cutting off the skin. Next, we split the fillet down the midline. After, we point the tail end forwards towards the opposite hand at a 45-degree angle and pull the blade towards with one long slice. Boom, sashimi.